हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सबका। तो आज हम देखेंगे मैसेजेस फॉर योर करंट सिचुएशंस। आपकी अभी की स्थिति के लिए क्या मैसेजेस हैं और क्या सॉल्यूशंस हैं। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी रीडिंग एंड तक देखें। सो यू कैन स्किप टू द पाल सिलेक्शन पार्ट एंड आई विल सी यू इन योर रीडिंग। बाय बाय। हाय एवरीवन, सो दिस इज द पाल सिलेक्शन पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो। ये है कार्ड नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4। इसमें है ब्लू सोडलाइट, इसके लिए है रोज क्वार्ट्ज क्रिस्टल, थर्ड वाले के लिए है एमेथीस्ट क्रिस्टल और फोर्थ वाले के लिए है ग्रीन एवेंचुरीन। प्लीज़ अपना पायल ध्यान से चुनें एंड यू कैन स्किप टू योर पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो। बाय बाय। Hello everyone, this is pile number 1 or card number 1 with the blue sodalite crystal and let's get into your reading. So firstly मैं ये आपको बता देती हूँ कि ये एक पहला कार्ड होगा जिससे पता चलेगा कि आपके लिए क्या मैसेज है इस कार्ड में। These cards will be for your situation, जिसमें पता चलेगा कि आपकी सिचुएशन क्या है, जिससे आप ये भी पता लगा सकते हो कि if this पर्टिकुलर पाइल और कार्ड नंबर इज़ फॉर यू। अगर ये आपके साथ रेजोनेट नहीं करता है, यू कैन गो बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट और वहाँ पे आप कोई और पाइल अपने लिए चूज कर सकते हो अगेन। ओके, एंड दीज विल बी द एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस पार्ट फॉर योर टैरो रीडिंग। तो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। First card is Page of Pentacles. Yeah, venturing on to some new stuff related to either career or any sort of adventures in your life. कुछ नया प्लान करने वाले हो, कुछ नया चलने वाला है एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली नीड टू डू दैट, क्योंकि जो भी नई चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में होने वाली है, बी इट यू नो इन टर्म्स ऑफ करियर और योर स्टडीज़, एनीथिंग। ऑब्वियसली करियर एंड स्टडीज़ एक ही चीज़ होती है। एनीवेज, तो you know you'll get to learn a lot from it and especially you'll feel very great while doing this, while learning this new thing or while venturing on this new thing. काफ़ी मज़ा आएगा आपको एंड स्पेशली सबसे बड़ी बात कि आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा इस चीज़ से, राइट? लाइक फॉर योर करियर एंड फॉर योर फ्यूचर स्पेशली। ओके, लेट्स गेट इनटू द अदर कार्ड्स. I hope you are able to see it. Anyways, let's move on to the situation cards, right? Okay, so the first card is Two of Pentacles. Okay, let me move this up there. Okay, so these are the cards which will indicate your situation to me. Okay, so first is Two of Pentacles. Okay, a lot of responsibilities in your life, and we know you are juggling it right now. We know that you are going through all of it. And with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, there is some sort of loss going on with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse and the Five of Cups. But the Strength card still says ki, you know, reminds you that everything is going to be fine. Yeah. टू ऑफ पेंटिकल्स का ये मीनिंग है कि आप इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें जगल कर रहे हो एक टाइम पे अपनी लाइफ में, एंड इवन दो यू आर एबल टू डू इट बट समवेयर यू आर गेटिंग टायर्ड, बट दिस कांट रिमाइंड यू दैट इवन दो द वाटर इज टर्बुलेंट बिहाइंड, यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट समहाउ. ओके, एंड या बाकी you need to remember one thing: you have to balance it out. Okay, with the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, there is some sort of loss going on in your life and there is also a lot of dependency. अब ये फाइनेंशियली भी हो सकती है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप भी हो सकती है. लाइक देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ रिलायंस, लाइक बहुत आप किसी पे बहुत ज़्यादा या किसी पे इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी या रिलेशनशिप काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलाई करते हो किसी पे, and we don't know if you have lost the person or the money, but you have lost something and you're grieving very badly about it. You're looking at the cups that have fallen, जो गिर गए हैं, जो खो गया है, आप उस पर बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हो. पर ये कार्ड आपको रिमाइंड कराता है कि जो भी आपके पास चीज़ें बची हैं, bring your focus to that. Don't look that way, look this way. Bring your focus to these cups that are left. Because पहली तो बात कि ये जो किसी चीज़ पे आप किसी पे रिलायंट हो या मतलब डिपेंडेंट हो, डोंट डू दैट. It's already very tough. You already have a lot of responsibilities in your life that you need to balance it out, right? And with the strength card, remember that you do have that much strength कि आप एक लायन को भी टेम कर सको, राइट? तो एक लायन को ऐसे हाथ लगा के उसको शांत करना इज़ लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ, राइट? तो ये आपको करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा. ओके, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से आती है? आपके अंदर वो हिम्मत जो यहाँ पे दिख रही है ना, कि इवन दो ही इज़ टायर्ड, ही स्टिल नोज कि भाई ये करना पड़ेगा मुझे, है ना? तो दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अंदर से जो चीज़ आपसे काम करवा रही है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ आपसे करवा रही है, ब्रिंग दैट हेयर, ब्रिंग दैट strength that you have in your body that is left here. You need to look at the cups left with yourself, है ना? And you need to work on getting, like, work on getting more cups in your life, more achievements in your life. इधर फोकस करके you'll feel more sad because look at the sky. ऐसा ही रहेगा आसमान. अगर आप यहाँ देखते रहोगे, यहाँ देखो और इधर आसमान का कलर चेंज करो, राइट? ओके, यू नीड टू ब्रिंग योर सेल्फ टू हेयर, पॉजिटिवली. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन अहेड with your extra messages. इतना फिसलू फिसलू क्यों है कार्ड ये? Okay, now with the 8 of battens and 10 of battens. Now this is from the Squid Cake Tarot. तो battens का meaning wands होता है एक तरह से. Wands like those big sticks that you see. Okay, anyways, I don't need to explain that. Now 8 of battens and 10 of battens. 8 of battens is a good thing because a lot of things are coming your way. Especially like in terms of opportunity and a lot of things. लेकिन वो आ रही हैं. Yes, you have to focus on that. Yes, you can take on that for your career if it's beneficial. लेकिन विद द 10 ऑफ पैटर्न्स ये भी एक मैसेज आ रहा है कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ सकती हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने हर चीज़ मतलब हाँ में हाँ मिलानी है कि हाँ आप वो काम दे रहे हो तो ये भी कर देता हूँ, वो भी कर देता हूँ, ऐसे भी कर देता हूँ या कर देती हूँ, वॉटेवर, है ना? तो वैसा नहीं करना है. टेक ऑन उतना काम लो जितना आप कर सकते हो. जो नहीं कर सकते, डोंट से येस टू इट, डोंट फॉल फॉर इट. ओके, let me shuffle some extra messages for you from the Rider-Waite Tarot. Let's see क्या बोलता है Rider-Waite Tarot. Okay, the Lovers in reverse. Okay, now the Lovers in reverse. Okay, that's like, see, now the message that I get here, either you have two options, either be in it or don't. But the fact is कि be in it वाला तो यहाँ पे उल्टा ही लग रहा है मुझे काम. be in it हो जाओगे तो as you can see that things are going to fall apart. उल्टे में सब कुछ उल्टा दिखता है. and the fact is कि you don't have a choice here because you have lost something. either you have lost something या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज़ है, ऐसा कोई डिसीजन है जिसमें आप चूज़ नहीं कर सकते. and it is like कि everyone is saying or everything is leading towards one answer and you have to choose it, either that. और अगर relationship की बात है then probably things are not good right now, और maybe आगे शायद चले ना चले, we have no idea about that. but Tarot simply says कि it won't be a good thing. So follow your intuition, I would say, as an extra message from myself. I would say जो सबसे बेस्ट लगता है अभी करना आपके लिए, do that. Don't fall for कि emotionally नहीं चलना है. like think with your brain, think what will be the best for you. don't ऐसे फालतू में like go with the flow वाला काम नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. know your intuition, know what your mind is telling you. Your mind always tells you the right things, and you know that, right? वो बात है. Okay, again we'll go with the extra messages from the Oracle of the Fairies. Oh, oopsie. Okay, hidden depths. Something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or a memory out the back of your mind. When you expose what's hidden, we can become free. Mhm. Magical blessings. Whatever you are going through, you are being assisted by magical fairies, fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. So, पहली बात ये, I see a lot of green. Take out time, go to the nature. But with hidden depth, something is hidden. Now, okay, this could be a lot of things. If you're in a relationship and things have been ended, या फिर things अच्छी नहीं चल रही है and you're confused what to do, this is your another message that please believe what your brain is saying for now. Follow your brain, ठीक है? Because if a person wants to do stuff अच्छे से ना वो करेगा, नहीं होएगा तो ना होए फिर. You need to focus on yourself, okay? And this could even mean in relationship की कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें पता लग सकती हैं maybe, but I take it as you might even tap into your hidden potential or something, ऐसा हो सकता है. And next is magical blessings. Whatever you are going through, you are being assisted by magical fairy blessings. The fairies say you can bless others too. Yeah, right. तो इतना चिंता लेने वाली बात नहीं है, because with the 8 of Wands things are coming your way, ठीक है? Blessings हैं. Also 8 of Wands के साथ एक ये भी मैसेज आता है कि the universe is like aligning things in your life right now. अगर वो बुरा भी जा रहा है तो it is meant for something good in your life, okay? So you don't have to worry about it, and everything is going nice because this is also a sort of blessing. ये नहीं होगी कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट कैसे होगा? सी, लाइफ का यही फंडा है. इफ यू डू नॉट गो डाउन, हाउ विल यू कम अप, राइट? So this is how it is. And yes, that was your reading. I hope you resonated, and if you like this reading, I would love you to just subscribe my channel or hit a like. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye bye. Hello, card number 2 or pile number 2. This is a crystal, rose quartz crystal, and let's get into your reading. तो ये रहेंगे आपके सिचुएशन कार्ड्स. अगर आप इससे रेजोनेट करते हैं, वेल एंड गुड, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्विच बैक टू द पाइल सिलेक्शन पार्ट, जहाँ पे आप कोई और पाइल जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, आप वो चूज़ कर सकते हैं, राइट? एंड दीज कार्ड्स विल बी द एक्स्ट्रा मैसेजेस फॉर योर रीडिंग. Let's get into your reading then. First card is the Judgment card. Amazing. See, listen. आप लोग के पास सारी स्ट्रेंथ है. वट एवर चैलेंज यू आर गोइंग थ्रू राइट नाउ, कोई भी ऑब्स्टेकल है लाइफ में आपकी, जो भी है, यू आर गोइंग टू फेस इट लाइक लिटरली अमेजिंगली. बहुत अच्छे से जाने वाला है. आपको डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप में इतनी क्षमता है कि आप किसी भी चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकते हो, तो डरने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी पॉजिटिव कार्ड ऑनेस्टली. ये बहुत अच्छा कार्ड है. लाइक वट एवर यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, डोंट वरी. मे बी इस वक्त थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन का पीरियड होगा या वट एवर आई एम फीलिंग लाइक, तो you'll be able to handle it very gracefully, I guess. That's the thing. Okay, let's get into your situation cards. 2 of Swords and then Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay. Yes, as I said it before कि शायद कोई ऑब्स्टेकल चल रहा होगा, जैसे भी होगा, आई डोंट नो कि सच में चल रहा है. Anyways, 2 of Wands says, I mean 2 of Swords says कि you know यू आर एट क्रॉस रोड्स राइट नाउ, ठीक है? कोई ऐसी चीज़ है, यू कैन डिसाइड. इट्स लाइक ये करूँ या ये करूँ, क्या करूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, मेरी आंखों पे तो पट्टी है, बंधी हुई है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग देयर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. दूसरा क्या है कि नाइट ऑफ वॉन्ड्स इन रिवर्स के साथ द प्रॉब्लम इज कि राइट नाउ मे बी यू आर बीइंग वेरी इम्पेशेंट, और लाइक you're like कि ये चीज़ें जल्दी क्यों नहीं ख़त्म हो रही हैं, लाइक व्हाई इज़ इट नॉट एंडिंग, जल्दी करो इसको, ये सब मुझे नहीं देखना है, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. एंड इट्स लाइक दैट. But it's like a very confusing period here. I don't know if it's regarding your career or your love life. It could be anything. But yeah, you're pretty confused. But remember with this card that you will be able to overcome it. Okay. Now with the Empress and the Page of Cups. Now if we look at it, look at these both cards, तो क्या बात निकल कर आती है कि the Empress, with the Empress, it says that you could be nurturing, you have to be bring out that creativity, be positive, this and that. I know it's not that easy, right? But if you look at the picture of this card, this queen is sitting here. This is you know ये है गेहूं, ये पीछे से वाटरफॉल है, यहाँ पे ग्रीनरी है, द स्काई इज परफेक्टली येलो. येलो रिप्रेजेंट्स पॉजिटिविटी, राइट? अब यहाँ पे बिकॉज इट दिस कार्ड सिम्बलाइजेज नर्चरिंग नेचर और बिहेवियर. पहली बात तो इस कार्ड से ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब द मैसेज आई एम गेटिंग आउट ऑफ दिस कार्ड एंड द मैसेज आई हैव पुट ऑन टू दिस कार्ड इज कि you have to focus on yourself, especially what you eat, what you drink, like you have to keep it very natural, like focus on your food, eat very good stuff, behave like be like a queen, you're eating good stuff, not the bahar ka fast food, ye sab nahi khana hai. अच्छा अच्छा खाना खाओ, अच्छा अच्छा रहो. Your sky will remain yellow, which will be very positive. And next is the Page of Cups. Now Page of Cups also signifies childlike creativity and childlike imagination. So you can surely think about that, like get into touch with the things that you have been that you are that you were practiced when you were child, you were a child, right? And basically जो भी चीज़ें आपको बचपन में करना पसंद थी या है, जो आप कभी कभार अभी भी करते हो, डोंट लीव दोज हॉबीज बिहाइंड. यू कैन स्टिल do that, because that is going to increase your creativity. And perhaps we don't know अगर ये creativity या फिर ये दो चीज़ें अपना के maybe you can solve this situation out. Yeah, that would be a thing. Okay, let's get into your extra messages, and that is one is Four of Coins and the Two of Batons, or we can say Wands. mm-hmm. Four of Coins से ये है कि don't tell me that your worth is decided by the type of money you earn or the amount of money you earn. ऐसा नहीं करना है. Don't get into an unhealthy relationship with money. No amount of money, no amount of material wealth decides your worth. Okay, you are a great person, so don't get into a very like possessive type of relationship with money, or I could say not possessive but like being obsessed with money. कि हाँ अभी वाला अभी जितना मैं कमा रही हूँ, you're not thankful for that but you need more. It's like मैं नहीं कमाऊंगी तो I don't know, I look like a bum to others. तो ऐसा नहीं होना है. ना ना ना. And also I get this message that you could even save up money. And yes, in terms of money, don't just don't get too much involved into earning stuff and just going out there. You have to focus on your emotional relationships too. Okay, so maintain a healthy relationship with your work life, like work life balance, or just create that. Yeah. And with balance, I think you really need that balance, क्योंकि टू ऑफ स्वर्ड्स में बैलेंस की बड़ी ज़रूरत होती है. So yeah, you have to maintain it. And with the two of batons, two of wands, basically a lot of new opportunities are coming into your career. It suggests that it's better if you take a bold step towards whatever you want to achieve. जो भी आपको अचीव करना है, you have to take a bold step. Now even if यहाँ पे क्रॉस रोड्स हैं, एक बोल्ड स्टेप आपको उठाना पड़ेगा. दोनों में से एक आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा if it's that way. okay? And if it's not balancing, you have to bring out that balance eventually, है ना? आज नहीं तो कल कभी ना कभी तो लाना पड़ेगा. Okay, now let me shuffle one card for you from this Rider Waite Tarot card deck. Okay, that's amazing. You're thriving. You'll thrive. You will thrive amazingly. That is so good. Yes. And you know, things will start to move so rapidly, and you will become mentally so strong. Like, look at this, like, even the horse looks confused. Oh my god, he is ready to do stuff. So, just follow these two things. Follow the things that I've told you. अपना खाना पानी अच्छा रखो, है ना? Bring out some more creativity. Perhaps ये सब जो आपकी situation चल रही है वो solve हो जाएगी, and then eventually you'll thrive. Like, look at the alignment of these cards. Like, you're thriving. It's amazing. It's graceful. बढ़िया है एकदम. Okay, now let's get into, and also the positivity बहुत आएगी, and also these clouds, like things are moving very fast. Okay, now let's shuffle your extra messages from the Oracle of Fairies. Oh my god. Okay, nature's sign manifestation. As I said, I hope you all are able to see your cards properly. Okay, so this card says nature's signs. Be receptive to the subtle messages from nature as you go about your day. Nature talks to us continually. We need to only open our hearts and minds. Okay, that's amazing because I was just talking about nature. मैं nature की ही बात कर रही थी. तो इसका एक ये भी sign हो सकता है कि eat natural, be natural, like try to avoid harmful substances in your life. And it's just not about food. It's like when you go out, you put on makeup, or you put on um these what do you call that, perfumes and all. I would suggest you कि sometimes you can even skip one of them and just embrace the natural you, okay? If that feels comfortable to you, you don't have to जबरदस्ती का natural वो नहीं पढ़ना है उसमें. Whatever you feel comfortable with, do that. But yeah, for now it is recommended that you eat natural and take care of yourself naturally. Even you can go out for a vacation, like agar bahut zyada situation hai, you can even go out into the nature, like either daily or on a vacation or a long vacation for a break. वो आप कर सकते हो. Next is manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on a paper. Manifestation step 1. Okay, now with the manifestation thing, okay, let's talk about this. Now manifestation के साथ whatever you want, if you want this, write it. How you'll behave, like here, अगर आप यहाँ पे हो तो आप कैसा behave करोगे, आपका दिन का routine कैसा रहेगा, write it down. And visualize it every morning when you wake up. जब भी सुबह उठ रहे हो, मतलब ऐसा विजुअलाइज करो आंखों में कि ओके, आई एम दिस पर्सन, मैं अभी ये कर रही हूँ, मैं ये खा रही हूँ, आई एम wearing these clothes or branded clothes or whatever, right? So, and even before sleeping at night, रात को सोने से पहले भी, like I would recommend you to, yeah, visualize it. And that's the part of manifestation, and it's a lot of yellow. I could see yellow matching, but yeah, it will be very positive. So anyways, this was your reading. Hopefully you resonated with your reading. अगर आपको reading अच्छी लगी हो तो either you can hit the subscribe button, or you could put a like on this video. Thank you so much. Meet you next time. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 3. So this is your reading, and let's get into it. Now, this is your amethyst crystal. If you were attracted to this reading is yours. लेकिन ये कार्ड्स जो रहेंगे, this will be regarding your situation. अगर आप इससे resonate करते हैं, then this reading is for you. और अगर आप नहीं करते हैं, then switch back to this pile selection part, और वहाँ पे आप कोई और pile अपने लिए choose कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's get into it. And yes, these cards will be your extra messages. Okay, let's start. Hmm, Nine of Wands. Okay, okay. See, listen, now this card represents that you are currently in a good period, and yeah, you might be worried about the future, but let me tell you this one thing, that you will be able to achieve it. Okay? You have not yet tapped into your inner strength. Once you do, you'll know that everything is going to be fine. So you don't have to worry, okay? You're gonna, just swap those lipsticks and write the, find the right one for you, okay? Okay, let's get into this now. Situation cards first. Four of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Okay, Nine of Wands in reverse now. Mm-hmm. Okay. तो बेसिकली जो आपके लिए मैसेज आया है उससे तो आप बिल्कुल कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट फील कर रहे हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर सिचुएशन. यू डू नॉट कम्प्लीटली फील लाइक दैट. यू आर इन सो मच वरी. यू आर लाइक कि भाई कैसे होगा, क्या करूँगी मैं, मेरे को नहीं रहना है इसमें, मेरे को नहीं करना ये सब, मेरे से तो नहीं होने वाला. एनीवेज, let's get started from the first. Firstly, you are feeling very dissatisfied with currently whatever you are going through. Dissatisfied, boring, apathy, मतलब बिल्कुल ऐसे इमोशंस बचे ही नहीं है, कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं है, बस just sitting there and doing nothing. Secondly, you have a lot of responsibilities that you're currently juggling onto, and yes, you need to maintain that balance between those responsibilities. But the fact is that right now you're feeling this way, which is not at all good. But with the Fool card, like, things are moving very fast. I feel like that this reading is moving very fast. Anyways, now with the Fool card, it suggests you that you have to do something which will either change, you have to do something which will either be a new beginning, या फिर इस सिचुएशन का ऐसा सुधार होगा कि इट विल फील लाइक एवरीथिंग इज न्यू विद द फूल कार्ड. ओके, या आई मीन इफ दिस इज योर सिचुएशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप ऑल्सो, इट फील्स लाइक कि यू डोंट want to do it if you're in a relationship. And if not, then also there's something in your life that's going on जिससे आपको बिल्कुल boredom feel होता है. You don't want to be in it. Already बहुत सारी responsibilities हैं, मैं कैसे करूँगी. And the answer is कि कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, either a new beginning या फिर कुछ ऐसा जो इस situation को पलट दे, and like एकदम नया सा लगे, just like a new beginning. Okay, now let's get into your extra messages. The Hanged Man and the Emperor. I feel like I want to keep it here. The Emperor. Now, the Emperor says कि you have to get in touch with whatever you are doing in your life. You are responsible for your destiny. Wherever you land, जो भी आप कर रहे हो, that will decide, like, whatever you do in present is going to decide your future. Past तो चला गया. Learn from the past, focus on the present, and whatever you do in the present is going to decide your future. Okay, so this is how it goes. And you know lead with confidence, lead with maturity, like, especially the fact that इस कार्ड का मेन मीनिंग यही होता है, जो करोगे वही होएगा. ठीक है, तो दैट इज वन थिंग. एंड यस, बी अ लीडर ऑफ योर लाइफ. Don't let anybody do that. Be, like, own your life yourself. Now next is the Hangman. Okay, now this could feel very, you know very much confusing and uncomfortable. But as I said, either a new beginning, या तो कोई बिल्कुल ही कुछ नया शुरू कर दो, नहीं है, then Hangman says that if you want to change this difficult situation, आपको एक बिल्कुल नए पर्सपेक्टिव से इस सिचुएशन को देखना पड़ेगा, so that you're able to achieve this. Because you want to be here, you have to like switch your perspective, like completely, like जैसे basically यहाँ पे perspective का क्या meaning है is that अभी हम इन cards को ऐसा देख रहे हैं, but what if we you know put it upside down? Obviously इन cards का meaning भी बदल जाएगा, सब कुछ बदल जाएगा, है ना? And that is how you change your perspective. जिस perspective से आप सोच रहे हो उससे मत सोचो, बी अ पर्सन आउटसाइड ऑफ दैट, या फिर जो भी सिचुएशन आप सोच रहे हो उसको अलग नज़रिए से देखो, है ना, ताकि कोई सोल्यूशन निकले आपकी सिचुएशन के लिए, राइट? या डेफिनेटली ओके. नाउ लेट्स शफल वन कार्ड फ्रॉम दिस. ओ माय गॉड, आई वांटेड वन कार्ड प्लीज. डेटा हो गया ये. माय ओसीडी इज नेवर गोना anyways. Okay, one card for, I don't need three cards. We only need one card. Okay. Thank you. The Hierophant. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now the Hierophant says that, now how I take it is that, if you believe in some sort of entity, God, angel, universe, whatever it is, this card suggests that, you could possibly just, I don't know if you're able to see this card or not. Anyways, so as I was saying, कि जिस कार्ड, इसका एक मैसेज निकल के आता है फ्रॉम माई इंटरप्रिटेशन इज दैट, if you're into stuff like doing worship, maybe like worshipping a god or believing into something, don't fall into that apathy trap. Just, like, get connected with yourself, with whatever you believed in, or any sort of that thing. Plus, also a message that you can even try out the traditional methods, like whatever religion you are from, if you believe into that, like you could try out some old things, या फिर जो भी आपके पास मिस्टेक्स हैं, जो भी चीज़ें like decide करी गई हैं by your god or universe or whatever, like whatever you have learned, whatever just apply that to this situation, and connect to this god or whatever sort of thing you believe in. तो ये है इस कार्ड का मैसेज, है ना, सो दैट आप अपनी करंट सिचुएशन से डील कर सकें बहुत आराम से. Okay, now let's get into the extra messages for you, which is from the Oracle of Fairies. Okay, moderation. Okay. Okay, that's two. Oh, that's great. Hopefully, you're able to see your cards. Now, first card is moderation. Is there something you know you shouldn't be eating? Try to eat mindfully and healthily. Although the fairies say that a little bit of what you fancy is fine. Okay, eat healthy as the card says. Okay, ये पिछले pile number 2 में भी आया था. I don't know if you guys were also attracted to that pile. If you want, you could also switch to that pile. Okay. Now, next is wait for winter. During the colder months, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes as long as your intentions are for the highest good. ठीक है, तो सब चंगा रहेगा, intentions अच्छी रखो, everything will be fine. And then next is the new beginnings. This fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby. Now, hold on. I mean, some of you guys could be expecting, because this is a general reading, I will be attracting a lot of people. But, anyways, even if you're not, it's not just a baby, it's just the fact that, it'll be a new beginning, like it'll be a new idea, but you have to cherish it. Don't just go around and, expose it to everyone. Keep it with yourself until you're able to achieve that idea or put that idea into your situation कि हाँ आपकी situation बदल जाती है और सब बढ़िया हो जाता है. तब तक उसको एक्सपोज मत करो, जस्ट नर्चर इट लाइक अ बेबी, सेफ गार्डेड, और मतलब या दिस इज योर मैसेज. एंड ऑल्सो आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीन्स, यहाँ पे ग्रीन है, यहाँ पे ग्रीन है, यहाँ पे ग्रीन है. तो you could, like connect with nature for a break to refresh your mind. Yeah, that could be an extra message too. So, anyways, this was your reading. Hopefully, you resonated with this. And if you like this reading, you could hit a like button, या फिर आप सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हैं मेरे चैनल को. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. Hi, pile number 4. This is your reading with the green aventurine crystal that you have chosen, okay? That you have chosen. And ठीक है यार, कितनी करनी pronunciation ठीक. Anyways, these cards will be for your situation. अगर आप इससे resonate करते हैं, then well and good. और अगर आप नहीं करते हैं, then switch back to the pile selection part of the video, so आप कोई और pile choose कर सकें. Okay, and these will be the extra messages for your reading. Now let's get into it. The death card. Oh my god. Now, if somebody sees this card, they are just, so scared. They're like, what the F? Like, that is scary, right? No, it's not. Now, let me tell you this one thing. This means a big transformation is coming in your life, and everything is going to completely change. It will feel like a new rebirth of a new cycle in your life. ठीक है, तो टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं है. It's just suggest that एकदम नया फेज शुरू होगा आपकी लाइफ में. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गेट इनटू the situation cards for your reading. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, Tower in reverse, and the Five of Pentacles in reverse. This is also a good sign. अब पहली बात, पहले ही नहीं घबरा जाना है कि सारे रिवर्स में हैं, तो हे भगवान ये सारे रिवर्स में क्यों पड़े हैं, ये पुट्ठे क्यों पड़े हैं, उल्टे क्यों पड़े हैं. पुट्ठे इन पंजाबी इज उल्टा. एनीवेज, नाउ किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स एंड किंग ऑफ कप्स इन रिवर्स. यू आर इमोशनली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल राइट नाउ. बहुत अजीब सा हो रहा है, मतलब कोई भी इमोशन जो भी आ रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्यों आ रहा है, बस आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल है. इम्पल्सिवनेस बहुत बढ़ गई है, मतलब कुछ भी हो जा रहा है, कुछ भी कर दे रहे हो, है ना. एंड नाइट ऑफ पेंटिकल्स के साथ मीनिंग ये है कि सम सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टैग्नेशन इज देयर इन योर लाइफ, लाइक ईदर करियर वाइज और प्रोग्रेस वाइज इन योर करियर और एनीथिंग, कुछ भी हो सकता है, नॉट जस्ट करियर, बट या. तो ऐसा है, ऐसा हो रहा है अभी आपके साथ. एंड यू आर लूजिंग कंट्रोल, यू आर इमोशनली वेरी इम्बैलेंस्ड राइट नाउ. Tower in reverse suggests that like you have to, you know what you are doing currently is that you're not willing to step into this new change because you're completely scared. Now the fact is कि आप जब तक नहीं करोगे तो ये जो discomfort है ना वो बनना ही रहेगा और वो change नहीं होगा. I know you are scared from the fact कि अब नई चीज़ें हैं, how will I do this, I don't want to do this, मुझे नहीं change करना. Change नहीं करोगे then how will you move forward? You'll keep, आपका progress stagnant रहेगा. Everything will, be like put on a stop, and that's not a good sign, that's not a good thing, right? तो ये एक problem रहेगा. With the tower in reverse you have to change that. And next is Five of Pentacles in reverse. Now that actually says कि ये जितनी भी जो भी situation अभी चल रही है ना आपकी लाइफ में, don't worry, it is going to lift up. इसका साइन है कि हो रही हैं चीज़ें ठीक, बट तभी होंगी जब आप actual bold step लोगे, because you have to. If you don't change the old patterns in your life, आप यहीं पे फंसे रह जाओगे, अड़े रह जाओगे. ठीक है. Okay, now let's get into the extra messages for your reading. Nine of Swords. Now this Nine of Swords means कि you have to give it in. ये इसकी प्लेसमेंट बिल्कुल यहाँ पे है क्योंकि स्टैग्नेशन है ना यहाँ पे. तो ये कह रहा है, नाइन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स कह रहा है कि जो भी आपकी सिचुएशन है, गिव इट ऑल इन. फाइनल स्टेप है, बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड हो आप, डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी फाइन. चेंज इट, डू वट एवर यू कैन, बस गेट इट डन, गेट ऑल इन टू इट. ठीक है, टेक चार्ज, टेक एक्शन. King of Cups के साथ, obviously, now this is in reverse, this is in upright. You are mature. टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर इमोशंस, ठीक है, ब्रिंग डिसिप्लिन इनटू योर लाइफ, ठीक है, बिकॉज अगर आप ओल्ड चीज़ों ओल्ड हैबिट से आप परे नहीं आओगे, बाहर नहीं आओगे, then things are going to definitely stay stagnant for you, and that is completely, like scary in my way, okay, in terms of me. If I look at stagnation that way, it is scary भाई, एक ही जगह पे आप stuck हो, बहुत mental f सब बहुत होते हैं, right? And so with the king of cups, take control, take charge emotionally, इतने ज़्यादा involve मत रहो, become mature, take control of your emotions. You can't put emotions into everything. You have to, sometimes you have to, like, you can't be like कि मेरा दिल 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 दिल. Sometimes you have to bring the mind out in. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. My phone literally died in between the reading, and yeah. So as I was saying, you need to get in, you know, control of your emotions. You need to move ahead, be mature, and yeah, make this King of Cups in reverse into a upright thing in your life. Okay. Next card that I, shuffled with this tarot deck, actually, sadly, unfortunately, you weren't able to see it. So anyways, we'll still get to your reading. So with the Page of Swords, इसका कहना ये है कि hold that sword, you know, give it all in with the Nine of Swords, and yeah, because otherwise ये जो clouds हैं ये ऐसे ही रहेंगे. Look at the color of these clouds, watery clouds, बहुत watery दिन था, negative, a lot of negativity, sadness. Now it is getting cleared. कब होगा? जब आप अपने old patterns और वो सबको पीछा छोड़ोगे उनसे, ठीक है, and you will definitely surrender to the transformation. Okay, so that is a thing, because see, यहाँ पे आसमान साफ हो रहा है, birds उड़ रही हैं, new beginning, everything is coming up fresh, and yes, it is amazing. Now let's get into the extra messages जो मैंने Oracle of the Fairies से मैंने तब शफल करके दिखाए थे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई हैड नो आइडिया कि मेरा कैमरा मर चुका है. एनीवेज, so first is friendship. Fairies and humans alike need friends. Now is the entire time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. Okay, so जो भी है इशू है, इट बी इट इमोशनल, करियर बेसिस पे, फ्रेंडशिप्स, यू कैन आस्क समवन. लोगों के एक्सपीरियंसेस आपको भी हेल्प कर देंगे. यू विल गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट, एंड मे बी आपको कोई सोल्यूशन भी मिल जाए अपनी करंट सिचुएशन के लिए, राइट? Okay, now next card is transformation. This fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. Now, while I was shuffling, तो जब मैंने कार्ड ये यहाँ पे प्लेस करा, it was clearly aligned with this card, which actually represents transformation. तो वो बात है, surrender करो, don't stop it. Okay, I know there are fears, but अगर आप नहीं करोगे, then negativity will be all around. बहुत ज़्यादा discomfort रहेगा, है ना? तो to move, you have to surrender to transformation. Okay, and next, come together. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. Okay, now if it's this situation or this stagnant phase in your life is based on your career, then you can possibly, reach out to your team or your colleagues जो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं इवेंचुअली आगे आपके काम में, सो दैट आप इस स्टैग्नेंट फेज से बाहर आए, है ना? सो या, दिस वॉज अ रीडिंग. होपफुली यू रेजोनेटेड विद दिस रीडिंग. अगर आपको ये रीडिंग अच्छी लगी हो तो आप मेरी वीडियो को लाइक भी कर सकते हो और मुझे सब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हो. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in one-on-one readings, you can DM me on my Instagram, which is linked below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Bye bye. See you next time.